I'm sending shots, these niggas they old. That boy rare, you know that he told. Like a granddad, I walk with that pole. Nike check from my head to my toe. Wait.
So what kind of video would it be without a Supra? That's a video about two-stepping and exhaust. Like, come on, guys. I think this is RX-7.
I don't know where to park.
You don't need a part. Just start two-stepping. You'll be the crowd favorite.
So, I don't know.
You know how fun this would be to just do that to random people? That as well. Guess the horsepower of this car in the comments. Over 1,000. On wastegate, I'd imagine. He has no eyebrows left. Not a Honda fan, but that would make me a fan. That did make me a fan. I like the orange. It's pretty sweet. Matches the flames. Straight off Forza right here, if I've ever seen it. Sounds like a kid screaming. His parents just told him that he can't go to his best buddy's house, and this is how he reacts. That's what this sounds like to me. I mean, Mustangs, they sound good, I guess, but they're just so loud. They all sound the same as well. Now this is the Honda with the laptop that you don't want to roll up on. This is Miss Frizzle after she retired from being a school teacher. That's just aggressive. Sounds like Iraq or Afghanistan. Nice and tame. I'd give it a 10. A little bit more aggressive there. Not bad. You know your car's fast when you gotta get full gear just to test it. Could you imagine one flame just catches the whole entire canopy on fire? That would not be good. One nasty V. This thing looks crazy. Yellow on a Ferrari just goes together. But me personally, with Ferrari money, if I had that type of money, I would just buy a couple of 01s, maybe 2. This thing, that RX-7 just looks crazy. See, it's more impressive with flames coming out of something like this than a G35. That's just me, though. This is better than all of them. Little C6 action. Probably Z06, honestly. Or a Grand Sport. And also, off topic, kind of, how was your guys' I almost said Thanksgiving. We're not there yet. Halloween, did you guys get a lot of candy or none at all? Candy get stolen? Leave in the comments what you guys did. This thing's like an old man struggling to get up. You know, if it's got carbon fiber doors, I probably wouldn't mess with it. Fast. Spinning or getting loose on a dyno. This is also fast. I think it's like 3,000 horsepower, maybe something. 2,000. Calvo Motorsports Viper. Crazy. About caught the car on fire. Definitely an 8-second car. Once again, the sick RX-7 that was shooting flames. Shooting flames just at idle. Definitely running rich. Sounds incredible though. Whistling Diesel's Lambo that was TJ Hunt's. This thing, nasty. You know, I would forget if my car does this and step out and that'd be all she wrote. All she wrote like that blower. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, peace.